Hey guys, so looking through this week in Blackboard, let's see if this is going to stay here. Nope, it's not, so I got to switch it just a little bit. But there we go, so we've got, we're going to do more trend research, look at databases and forms. You're going to learn about Google Forms and databases. What you need to do this week is create a form. You're going to share that form with your group, play around with the data a little bit, and then post some ideas to the blog, the Reflective blog, about how you could use forms in your classroom. And then to keep going and prepare for next week, you're going to read Retool Your School, Appendix A and B, and read Chapter 3 in Reinventing Project-Based Learning. The big thing is to prepare for your trend presentations next week, because we've got to get, that's a big chunk of your grade and stuff. So let's look in a little bit deeper. Looking inside this week's module, there's only the three things. There's databases, Google Forms, and homework again. If you click on the databases, there's some information in here on what is a database, an example of a database to look at. A couple of links. This video is about 10 minutes, but the first 4.5 minutes is all we're interested in. Do watch it, it's pretty cool. Go in here, I'm thinking like Andrew, there's a couple of you guys that would really get into Zoho, but I want all of you to go in and take a look at the videos on this site, because it explains how to build a database and how easy it can be, and you're going to be a total rock star if you can even talk databases in the future. So do go in and check it out. It's a little bit funky. They refer to databases as applications. That might throw you off a little bit, but other than that, it's all good. After you go through there, we'll go into the Google Forms. Google Forms are total gateway. You'll get hooked. They're pretty awesome. So go through here, learn about Google Forms. There's a video there for you to watch. Take the time. Like it says here, we should be having a meeting, but since you're on your own this week, it's kind of on your honor. Take the time to look through these resources page, as well as these two links here for ideas on how to use Google Forms in the classroom, because you're going to be creating one. It's your next step. So you're going to be, and here are your instructions right here. You will be creating an educational form and sharing it with your Rock Band to collect some data. Then you will skillfully craft a blog post reflecting on using this tool in the classroom. Then the final part that you've got to do for next Wednesday is the homework and reading, which is simply creating the form by the 28th. That will give you time to share it with your Rock Band and collect some data and create your post by the 30th. Do the reading of these two, and then you should have finished your presentation by now. So it's the notes page and the activity, and being prepared with your group to present next Wednesday when we get together. All right. If there's any questions, text, email, whatever, you know how to get a hold of me.